One.
Shalom, my Hillel Torah friends. It is I, the original Dr. G, Mr. Noah Goldman, and I'm here today to share with you an amazing new tool for you to use with your classes. It is called Kaizena, and gives you the ability to record and listen to recordings of people's voices on your Google documents. So Kaizena is a Google Docs add-on, so we need to open a Google document or create a new one. And if you've never heard of an add-on before, add-ons are programs that are written usually not by Google. They're created by other companies to work with Google programs like Google Docs or Google Chrome, and they give you extra tools or extra features to be able to use those programs more efficiently, more effectively, more powerfully. All right. So here's a Google Doc. As you can see, I added into this document some Hebrew text with some English text. This is the text of the first part of our morning tefillah, Modeh Ani. And if you're wondering where I got that text from, I got it from the online library of Hebrew text, Sefaria.org. Since Kaizena is a Google Docs add-on, we can access it from the add-ons menu. So we just click the add-ons menu, and you should already see Kaizena listed in there. Go ahead and click on Kaizena, and then click on Open Kaizena. Kaizena will then open on the right-hand side of your screen in a little side window. And if you've never opened Kaizena before, it will ask you first to log in. Just make sure you log in with your Hillel Torah Google account. Because we've paid for some extra features and extra functionality for you to be able to have with Kaizena. Once you have logged in, you'll be able to see the tools for recording, for leaving comments on the Google document, as well as any comments or recordings that have been left on that document before. In this case, it's a brand new document. We don't have any recordings recorded. But we have 4 buttons to choose from: voice message, track a skill, attach a lesson, or leave a text message. We're going to focus today on the voice message feature, because this is where the power of Kaizena really comes in, to be able to hear the sound of your students' voices. All you have to do is create the Google document. Might have to show your students at least one time how to open Kaizena on their computer. For them to leave a recording, all they have to do is click this voice message button. Used Kaizena on this document, it's going to ask them for permission to use the microphone. They have to click allow in order for this to work. If they click block, it will never work, and they'll have to come to me to learn how to unblock it. I'm going to click allow so that Kaizena can have access to my microphone. And immediately you see here our timer started recording. You might even be able to see the sound waves in the background of the sound of my voice. Once I'm done recording, the students can then read the text. Modeh ani lefanecha melechai v'kayam shechazarta bi nishmati bechemla rabba emunatecha. I can then press stop and post, and it will save and upload my voice comment to the document for everyone who has access to that document to see and hear. I can even close that document and reopen it again. So once the document is open again, all you need to do is go back to the add-ons menu, go back to Kaizena again, and open Kaizena. The recording that we made before is visible in the Kaizena view of this document, as well as we still have the buttons on the bottom to leave more messages. As I mentioned before, this is a very powerful tool. We commonly use it in Hebrew Lashon classes for teachers to be able to give a text to some students, to ask them to read it, and then they can homework, then go back and listen to each student one at a time to hear how well they read it and where they need improvement.